Alright, so we roughed them up with some 380 grit sandpaper, the air cleaner too. Now I'm going to wipe it down with mineral spirits, okay, with another light coat of the color shift, and then some 2K clear to seal it all in. Alright, now we're all clear coated with the 2K cadillac clear coat. I cleaned the wax out of these before I clear coated them, but it should hopefully help seal them up. This is what came in the headlight kit that I bought on eBay. So I'm finishing with the buckets today. I test fit the headlight rings that came with them. They didn't really hold the headlight bulbs tightly, and they were chrome steel, which I try not to use chrome steel if I can get something cheaply that is stainless for the same purpose. So I ordered a new set of chrome stainless steel rings. They're going to come today, but to be ahead for that, I'm installing the little buckets. So tomorrow I can just install the rings. I also tapped the little holes, take stainless steel number 8 screws, because the screws that came with these things look like shit. They were really crappy looking. So it's like one problem after another with these things. So the aftermarket headlight buckets, 2 of them fit correctly to be standing up at the right angle, and then 2 of them will have to be like sideways or upside down to actually lock in. Like that one's upside down and it's locked in right now. So that's a failure. And I take these old crusty buckets and I'm probably have to restore them because they were correct and they're not so bad, they're just rusty. So I got this rock tumbler over here. I'm gonna throw them in here and let them run for like 2 days and then paint them. Okay, so I decided to start restoring these because the new headlight buckets are kind of crappy. So let these run in the tumbler for 24 hours. And I've got most of the rusty, dirty stuff off, and I boiled them in some degreaser and soap. Now I'm going to give them a little bit of a cleanup and paint them.